Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a song like Detroit rapper TEEJAYX6. First, some synth strings. Second, some steel drums. Third, a squelch bass. Fourth, it would usually be big bells, but I went with the Space Jam noise. Fifth, some drums. Make sure to include a click of some kind, like this one. Yeah, that's good. Sixth, an 808 pattern or sub pattern that matches the squelch bass. Then put it all together and you have the beat. Next, the rap. Me and my friends have spent some time figuring out how he sounds the way he does, and I've decided to do it like this. I recorded my vocals to a click track that is 1 BPM slower than the one I used for the beat. Then I just added each of the lines to the beginning of each bar of the beat. You'll notice that I'm using 2 different softwares for the beat and the raps, and that's because it costs money to put down vocals in Soundation. So I made up a fake email and I'm using the 14-day free trial of Soundtrap to record vocals. Always scam, no matter how small. Here's the final product. Forgive me, but I don't really have the voice for rap. I don't know, I think it still came out pretty good. Let's go. I done came on myself, then your hoe like the ski off. I'ma move up to Aspen when I'm rich, that ski off. I owned every balcony, I climbed up and peed off. The ex-hoe got mad at me, tried to cut my fucking meat off. If you scamming someone, know to never break character. Try not to scam locals, but in general, America. You can sell a kidney for a couple $100,000. Don't be stingy with your organs, give a couple of them out. Damn. Bitcoin, at this point, a lost fucking cause. So bring your bros and come over to Comcast.com. Pause. It's illegal, but I was born to break the law. If you falling for my swipes, bro, that's your fucking fault, on God.